I started this new channel thinking that I was going to get to come on live. Well, it's not. So now it's ripped my whole channel what I was wanting to do. But you'll see recipes on here. And you'll see some that is like the other channel, the best home cooking on YouTube. Okay, it'll be some of them like that and some of them won't. So you'll need to check both channels in order to watch. Please subscribe, please like, and please share with your friends and family. I need to get both channels going. My old channel has been losing a lot of subscribers here lately. I don't know why. Please check to see if you're subscribed. And I'm trying my best on my new channel, Tawynia Marie. And don't put no marks between it or anything, because it's just Tawynia Marie. And that's my new channel. Hope y'all liked it, my channels. And leave comments down below. That will help YouTube send my videos out more. Thanks.